So now that we've done that, we can see how the attention weights are specific for those indices that are crucial for basically having this be labeled as a true vector. And so this is again how you can pay attention to the weights using the self-attention module. But what's even more interesting is that this graph can change based on basically some context. So whether this, final rule bit is on or off, we can have the attention head pay attention to different inputs in our sequence. So this context-dependent attention given to specific input dimensions of our embedding is critical for attention modules, and it's a super unique way to create this hierarchical information flow through purely multiplicative properties. And this kind of context-dependent switching, where you can switch how you attend to different input dimensions based on the context of your problem or your statement, is something that allows attention to give transformers the ability to become flexible graph networks. And this is a really key concept that I want you to come away with, which is that each of these key query, vector embeddings with that final multiplication and then value embedding can allow you to basically give information at different levels, at different hierarchies, based on if certain rules are on, certain contexts. And you can see this in vision transformers. So if you have this picture, this original picture of someone cutting sandwiches on a cutting board, you can ask different questions and you can have the vision transformer pay attention to different parts of the image. So if I ask it, where's the knife, it'll pay attention to the person cutting the sandwiches in the right corner of the picture. If I say, are there any cups, it'll pay attention to the other corner. So it's switching the way it pays attention to our input embeddings based on this rule that's external. And this is a final example that I wanted to show you because it was just very cute. So these two kittens, laying around with two TV remotes. But again, when you query different objects in the vision transformer, whether it's a remote or the whole couch or the cat, it pays attention to different things in the input image. And this kind of flexible weight switching is only possible through those multiplicative properties.